In a quaint art gallery, a peculiar exhibit caught everyone's eye. Ink portraits lined the walls, each flickering with static like an old TV. "Is this a new art form or a technical glitch?" wondered Lucy aloud. Her friend Max, ever the prankster, whispered, "I bet they're haunted." Just then, a portrait of a stern-looking gentleman winked at them. Lucy gasped, "Did you see that?" Max chuckled, "Relax. It's just the artist's way of keeping us on our toes." As they moved on, the gentleman's portrait sneezed. "Bless you," Lucy laughed. "Now that's interactive art."